Hello everyone and welcome to DIY to Z, and today we are going to discussing about how to make a wooden handle for our tool. In part 1 I will show you how to make a palm gouge out of an old drill bit. Here is the link, you can watch the video. We make drill bit better and we also make it sharp with the help of file sander. And then we can also pass through quenching process and hardening process. After this we are going to make a handle for our palm gouge. So first of all, here I am using a old dried branch, which is a neem tree branch which is stored in my backyard. So I am using a small piece of a wood which I cut from a branch. As I told you in part 1 that I am making a handle with the help of very unique and easiest way without using any electrical tool. To put our tool in a handle we have to make a hole in the handle. For that I am using iron bar, making it red hot on a fire and push it into the handle so we can get hollowed out handle and we can put our tool in this hole. So with the help of this trick you have to make deep enough hole in this handle. As you can see in the video, I'll get a deep enough hole with the help of this method because I have a small drill bit. So guys, now we have to put our tool in this hole, but the diameter of our drill bit is bigger than this hole which we recently made. So we have to make this hole little bit more bigger. For that I am going to hit opposite tip of our tool and push it into the handle so we can get the exactly hole which we need. Like this our tool is snugly fit in this hole. As you can see in the video, here I am repeating this process more than once so we can get a deep enough hole with the help of this trick. Now we have to stick this tool with the handle. So here I am using a 2-part of epoxy and mix it very well and also put it into the hole and apply over the tool. As you can see in the video, here I am going to apply this epoxy over the drill bit and also have to apply some of in a hole so it can be very strong and we can work very accurately with our wood carving. So guys, here we are all done and we have to put our tool in this hole. You can also twist the handle while pushing this tool into the hole so all the gap is filled with epoxy. So guys, now we have to leave our tool for the 24 hours so all the epoxy can be soaked very well. So after 24 hours you can get your own handmade palm gouge. So guys, thank you for being with me throughout the video and I really do hope you like this video. If you really like this video, please let me know under the comment section below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe.